Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's question is, if x squared minus 13x plus 1 is equal to 0, what is the last digit of x raised to 4 plus 1 over x raised to 4? So we have the equation x squared minus 13x plus 1 is equal to 0. Our target is to express this equation in such a way that part of it is this, and then from that equation we'll be able to determine a number that is equivalent to this, and then from that we'll be able to tell the last digit of that number. So in order to achieve that, we can begin by dividing whole through by x. So this gives us x minus 13 plus 1 over x is equal to 0. Well, we can take negative 13 to the right hand side, and that will give us x plus 1 over x is equal to 13. So at this step, we can square both sides. So if we square the left hand side, we'll have this squared and that squared. So I'm going to apply a quadratic identity. When you're given a plus b squared, to expand that, we can use the identity a squared plus 2ab plus b squared to expand expressions in that form. So we already have it here. So this corresponds to a, 1 over x corresponds to b. So we can do the substitutions. I will have x squared plus twice x by 1 over x, and then plus 1 over x squared, that is b squared. So 1 over x squared is just 1 over x squared. So you square the numerator and denominator at the same time. And then on the right hand side, you'll have 13 squared, that is 169. So these will cancel and we end up with x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. And that should be equivalent to 169. Again, we can let 2 cross so that we have x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to, so 2 crossing will mean that the sign changes, so we have 169 minus 2, and that is 167. Well, from here, remember our target is to have x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. So we are not yet there. So we continue squaring until we get to that. On the left hand side, again, we can square x squared plus 1 over x squared. So we square the left hand side and the right hand side squared. So applying the same identity, this now becomes x squared squared, that is x power 4, plus twice ab, that is 2 times x squared, times 1 over x squared, and then plus 1 over x squared squared is x power 4. And then on the right hand side, we have 167 squared. Well, from my calculator, 167 squared, that should give us 27,889. And then from there, these will cancel so that we have x power 4 plus 2 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 27,889. Well, 2 can cross again so that we have x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 27,889 minus 2, and that is 27,887. So x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 as required here is 27,887. So for that number, the last digit is therefore 7. And that is how we go about this problem. I want to thank you for staying with me till this end. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and share the good news with others. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you next time.